What is the monkeypox? We're going to talk about that today on the Science Animated News. Monkeypox was first discovered in 1958 when 2 outbreaks of a pox-like disease occurred in colonies of monkeys kept for research, hence the name monkeypox. The first human case of monkeypox was recorded in 1970 in the Democratic Republic of Congo during a period of intensified effort to eliminate smallpox. Since then, monkeypox has been reported in humans in other Central and Western African countries. Scientists at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, are collaborating with the Massachusetts Department of Public Health to investigate a situation in the U.S. A resident tested positive for monkeypox after returning to the U.S. from Canada. Now, this is the only time monkeypox has popped up in the United States. In 2003, 47 confirmed and probable cases of monkeypox were reported from 6 states: Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Missouri, Ohio, and Wisconsin. All people infected with monkeypox in this outbreak became ill after having contact with pet prairie dogs. The pets were infected after being housed near imported small mammals from Ghana. This was the first time that human monkeypox was reported outside of Africa. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of having monkeypox? In humans, the symptoms of monkeypox are similar to, but milder than the symptoms of smallpox. Monkeypox begins with fever, headache, muscle aches, and exhaustion. The main difference between symptoms of smallpox and monkeypox is that monkeypox causes lymph nodes to swell, while smallpox does not. The incubation period, time from infection to symptoms, is usually 7 to 14 days, but can range from 5 to 21 days. Here's how the illness begins. Within 1 to 3 days after the appearance of fever, the patient develops a rash, often beginning on the face, then spreading to other parts of the body. The illness typically lasts for 2 to 4 weeks. In Africa, monkeypox has been shown to cause death in as many as 1 in 10 persons who contract the disease. Now, how do you prevent getting the monkeypox virus? Well, avoid contact with animals that could harbor the virus. Avoid contact with any material such as bedding that has been in contact with a sick animal. Isolate infected patients from others who have been at risk. Practice good hand hygiene after contact with infected animals or humans. For example, washing your hands with soap and water or using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. This Science News Update was brought to you by ScienceAnimated.net. Don't miss a second of Science Animated content. Subscribe, hit that like button, and share. Thanks, everyone.